In this video we are talking about if Algorand can continue his bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are in this very interesting area because we are moving out of this demand zone right here, and from this demand zone we saw this push to the all-time high in 2020, and after this weekly bearish structure to the downside we now see weekly bullish momentum to the upside again. On the daily chart we had this last low right here and we didn't make a real lower low, we just saw this liquidity grabs right here. Then we saw this bullish momentum to the upside, broke this high, and after we broke this order block to the upside, we then saw another bullish explosion to the upside. And in the last video I showed you this range right here with this purple lines, and that this will decide if we are going to the upside or to the downside. And as you can see, we are now breaking this range high to the upside and we are in this supply zone, and this supply zone here is really interesting because we saw this bearish move to the downside with a strong bullish momentum. So technically this supply zone is very strong, and if we are now breaking this supply zone to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that we see a move to the upside. And as you can see on the 4 hourly, we can see this range, and we now got this bullish momentum and we got this 4 hourly break over this last high. So this is a very bullish sign. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Algorand, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And now the question is, can we continue this bullish momentum to the upside and do we see even higher prices? Or do we find rejection in the stronger supply zone and see a move to the lower side? So as I said, this supply zone right here is very important because we saw the strong bearish move to the downside from here. And now it's really important that we see a daily or weekly body close over this highs. And right now we can see this wick right here and this rejection. So this candle formation is not bullish because we just saw a wick over this high. So we took some liquidity over this high. So now the question is if this liquidity over this high is enough liquidity to go to even lower prices, or if we just see a smaller retracement and then go to the upside again. So I think the chance is higher that we are going to the upside because we had this strong bullish momentum. But as I said, for a real confirmation, we have to break this high to the upside. Otherwise, the chance that we see a larger retracement is also really high right now. But if anything interesting happens for Algorand, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Algorand. So all in all, we finally saw the strong bullish momentum to the upside. And as I said, the range will decide if we are going to the upside or going to lower levels. And we right now broke this range high to the upside with a 4 hourly close, which is a bullish sign. And now it will decide if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. Because if we find acceptance over here, the chance that we see an explosion for Algorand is really high. But right now we are seeing this rejection right here. And the chance is also high that we see a retracement to lower levels again because the supply zone is really strong. So please be careful with your long positions if we are not breaking this high to the upside. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.